Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a everyday makeup basket project pan type update for you guys. These are all of the items that I am using and keeping on the forefront of my mind for what I want to reach for on an everyday basis. I will dabble here and there on other products in my collection, but these are the ones I'm focusing on to either use up, see if I like, or they're new items due to a Sephora haul that may have happened. So let's get into it. First thing here is my eyeshadow palette I have been using. You guys know I'm trying to pan the Marc Jacobs Scandalous eyeshadow palette. If you want to see my current progress, then be sure to check out my update. I will try and link it in the cards or put it down below for you guys. I have some really good progress to share with you. So excited for that. The other thing I want to say that is in this palette now is, not in the palette, but in my basket now, is my Modern Renaissance Anastasia Beverly Hills. If you haven't followed my Pan That Palette updates, you may know or may not know that I have used up that cream shade. So I have been reaching for Tempera or Tempera, who knows, in this palette a lot. So I've also been dabbling with some other shades with my Marc Jacobs Scandalous palette just to kind of amplify it, play with something different. So both of these palettes are currently in my makeup bag, so I have them with me at all times. Okay, moving on, I have my eyeshadow primer. This is the Milani eyeshadow primer. It is in 01 Nude. I'm not sure if they really do have different shades, but I have loved this. It's perfect for all over your lid. It helps with any creasing, making your eyeshadows last a little bit longer, everything kind of stay in place. I've used some high-end versions in the past. I think there's a storm coming. Yeah, I've used some high-end versions in the past, but I have recently found this off of Emily Noel 83. She's been talking about this forever here on YouTube, so finally picked that up and I'm glad to have that. Another kind of eyeshadow or eye related product is the Shadowsense. This is the long lasting eyeshadow in Pink Opal Shimmer. I love to just apply this all over the lid with some bronzer in the crease and I'm good to go. It has a really long lasting effect on your eyes and it's just an easy quick look if I don't want to go into my powder shades, just kind of want to apply it and get on with my day. You know, those days maybe a little bit busier now, who knows, but yes, I love having this in my bag. The next thing, you guys know, my Smashbox Camera Ready BB cream. Shade I use is Light, and this is my favorite, will always be in my makeup bag. I love this, almost done with using it, and I purchased a backup in the Sephora sale, so I always will have one of these. I really like how convenient it is that it has some SPF in it. It looks really good on my skin. The color match is perfect, so I don't need a moisturizer. I don't need like a primer or anything. I just whip this on my face with my fingers and I'm good to go. Oh my goodness, I said too much stuff at once, but I really love this stuff. Check it out if you haven't. And then I just recently purchased the Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrator, and this is relatively new in their line. Shade I got is 20N Light Neutral. I wanted to give this a go here on my channel, so you'll see a first impression demo of this coming soon on my channel. So I picked this up because I couldn't find a backup of my Smashbox. Put like the email notifications for that, and I got that a couple days later, so I was able to get a backup of that, but I already purchased this, so we will try this out. It doesn't have any sunscreen in it, but I wanted to give that a go. Bronzer, my Tarte, this is the Hotel Heiress bronzer. This is a waterproof bronzer. I use it pretty much on an everyday basis. I love this. I haven't hit pan. I don't have actually any other bronzers in my collection, which is crazy. I actually used up quite a bit here in project painting on my channel, but this is the only one I have left. I only think I need one. This is doing the job. I think probably after this though, I'll go back to the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil one just because of the smell. It just is worth it to me. You can build that up too. So I am still using this and will continue to use it. You guys know I am trying to use my Becca Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop palette. Has been out for quite a couple years and still no pan on anything. Been using Champagne Pop in this middle shade called Amaretto. Probably the most out of this palette, but yeah, no real progress. or anything like that, but still using it. I also have my Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder. Ooh, this is just a translucent powder. I've noticed the packaging, this has happened to a couple of my powders where the top will just kind of pop off and break off. I still use it, will always repurchase it. That is in there. Another kind of powder I have been reaching for lately is the Essence Brighten Up. This is a banana powder, and I'll use it with a different kind of brush and just kind of top my concealer with this, and I do find it kind of helps brighten it a little bit, not super drastically. I don't know if I'm gonna like repurchase this, but it is a little bit different than the All About Matte. Speaking of concealer, I have been reaching for 2 concealers and kind of double tasking them. Is that what I'm looking for? Not sure. So this is the Becca Light Shifter Brightening Concealer. The shade I have is Gamma Ray. Now I got two or three of these from Influencer, and it is really good at brightening underneath your eyes. So it's kind of similar to the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer, and you just kind of, I apply it in a big triangle and kind of pat it into my eyes, and it helps with brightening. But then I also use the Tarte Shape Tape. The color I have is light neutral, and if you haven't used this, you need to apply it on the back of your hands, use your finger and put it under your eyes that way. You just kind of apply it like that. It's just too much, too thick underneath your eyes. You'll have creasing, you won't get the coverage you want and need. So I use both of these together, and it looks so good with the brightening effect and the concealer. If you were to want to just use the Becca one on your under eyes, I don't think you would have, or for me at least, the coverage you need to cover some of those dark circles that some of us mamas have. So I wouldn't recommend just using this product. You definitely need your normal concealer that you use with it, and this just kind of is a brightening boost. Okay, 2 more things before we get into lips. The Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Shade I use is Intense Black, is what is on my eyes now. Use it all the time, love it. Waterproof for the most part, smudge proof for the most part, long lasting for the most part. Haven't found anything better, so I will continue to purchase this. And then the mascara I'm using, I started using it today, and I'm not sure I'm a big fan of it, is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara in Waterproof. So I normally, I think I get the green packaging. I'm not sure which one that one's called, but I normally get the green packaging and it works fine. This one, I feel like it did a good job, but I feel like it needs more volume to it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, but it does say it's waterproof, which is good. I love waterproof mascaras, but I just don't know if it has enough volume. My lashes feel a little bit more like spidery to me. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. We'll keep playing with it. This was only my first day using it, so I will let you guys know as it goes on. Then for brows, every day I use my Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. Has filling fibers in it. The color I use is Brownie Brows. So this is kind of what the packaging looks like, and it's just kind of a small mascara wand. And you just kind of go through your brows like how the hairs kind of are growing. It gives a nice kind of tint to your eyebrows, just kind of makes everything one color. Has a small light gel to it, so it helps them stay in place. It's not sticky or wet after you apply it and touch it, so highly recommend this. Comes from the drugstore. You can get it at Ulta as well, and I love to have it and use it every day. So then I have 4 products that I have been using. I don't even have my lip product I'm using right now. That's currently, I think, downstairs. This is a Too Faced liquid lipstick. I'll leave the shade down below because I don't know, but I have been using this a lot lately, and I know we're entering springtime and stuff. It is like about to storm outside, guys. I'm sorry for the lighting if it's starting to change, but it's getting dark outside. But I'll leave the shade down below. The other product I have been wearing consistently is my Tarte Lip Sculptors. These are only sold at Ulta. The shade I have is Treat. One side is a lipstick, and it's just so creamy, perfect kind of nudie pink shade. I have loved wearing this. Just feels so comfortable on the lips. And then you get a lip gloss. that I kind of just apply right here, and it just gives a nice dimension look to your lips. I've been wearing this every day pretty much. And then another lip product is my Nude Sticks Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil in the shade Kiss. And it's a little bit more hot pink in color. I'm wearing this a lot. I love lip pencils. They're just so easy and creamy to apply. I was on a huge lip pencil kick back in like 4 years ago. I haven't seen too much lip pencils, like the Tarte Lip Sergeants was wearing those all the time. But I feel like Tarte stopped doing lip pencils and just kind of concentrated on lipsticks. Let me know if you have a lip pencil you like. These are nice. I don't think I would repurchase like the color. I want something a little bit more nude than this super hot pink, but I haven't really seen too many more like lip crayons, and I like the ones you can just roll up, not have to pencil sharpen. This one you have to pencil sharpen. So if you have a lip crayon that is still currently being sold that you love, let me know in the comments down below, because I am on the market. Then I have two products I just got from the Sephora sale. Yeah, Charlotte Tilbury matte lipstick in a Pillow Talk. I haven't even like, oh, so pretty. There it is right there. Pillow Talk, such the perfect pinky nude kind of shade. I had a deluxe sample of this that I used up completely. So nice. I am in love with Charlotte Tilbury's like makeup line, skincare line in general. She has hit that nail on the head and is like doing amazing. So because of the sale, I did pick up the lipstick. It's definitely worth the money. I'm so happy about it. And then I have the Coola Lip Lux sunscreen. I needed a lip balm that I can wear. I've been going outside a lot with Jaclyn. I like that this has sunscreen. I like that I can top it with lipsticks, things like that. It doesn't have a sunscreen flavor or scent to it, so check these out if you haven't. They are perfect buys. And then you guys know my fragrance is the Viva La Juicy little duo. This is Viva La Juicy Couture and then the Viva La Juicy La Fleur, and I'm so close with using this up. You guys, if you've been watching me for a while, you know I've been trying to pan this for years. Has it been years? I love this. I would totally repurchase the Viva La Juicy, but I just go through and like the sprays better than roll-on. So still working on this, still smells fine, and it's in my makeup basket. But that is everything that is in this makeup basket for the month of May. I hope you guys are all doing well. Let me know what your must-have and everyday makeup products are down below. I'd love to know, especially if you have any recommendations for me that you are loving. I will leave 2 videos down below for you guys to continue to check out my channel. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Leave the heart emoji if you have finished this video. And I know you made it till the end, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.